Everyone, Mr. Wiseman speaking. Now today we're going to be learning about algebraic equation. Now let's dive into the video to find out about algebraic equation. Now the definition of algebraic equation is another term for a polynomial equation. A polynomial equation. So, and examples of polynomial equation, they are x squared plus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So, an equation is you are equating it to another sum or another term, because I can have something like 5x equal to, let's say, 3. So this it's any equation because you are equating it to a constant number, because this it's a coefficient and a variable, and then we are equating it to a constant number. So these are example of polynomial equation. X cubed minus 2x squared equals to 4x minus 10, which equals to 0. Now, and the last one, it's x to the power of 4 minus 2x cubed plus 4x squared minus x plus 5 equal to 0. Now, let's dive into the video to answer this. Now, when it comes to algebraic equation, all we're doing, we are solving for the unknown. So solving for the unknown. We are solving for unknown. We are solving for unknown. Now, if we have this is very straightforward. In order for us to find the answer for this, we have to transpose this 9 to the other side. So when we're transposing it to the other side, it becomes minus. Now, when it becomes minus, the value of x equals to 17 minus 9. Okay, let's take out our calculator. Let's bring it. Let's move it to the other side. Let's move it to the other side. So 17 minus 9 gives us an answer of 8. So this value of x equals to 8. Now, same thing with this. Now with this, what we have to do, we have to first distribute the 7 to each. We have to first distribute the 7 to each term. So we have 7 times 3, which is 21, x minus 14 equals to negative 77. Now, once we have that, then what we're going to do, we have to isolate the 21x. So we bring the 14 to the other side, which will become positive 14. So positive 14. Now, positive 14. Now, we are left with 21x. 21x equals to, let's take out our calculator. So let's move it around. Let's move it. Let's move it. So we're going to say negative 77 plus 14, which equals to negative 63. So our final answer here is negative 63. Now the value of x is, we have to divide both sides by 21. When we divide both sides by 21, so let's see what we get. So we're going to say negative 63 divided by 21. Our final answer is negative 3. Now this is straightforward when it's like this. Now when it has a fraction like this, this is how you're going to do it. When it says a fraction, you're going to say x over 7 equals to -4. Now this -4, since it's a whole number, just imagine it as all over 1. Now we're done with that, we take this, we start doing now what you call cross multiplication, whereabout you take the denominator multiplied by the numerator multiplied by the denominator. So x times 1 gives us the value of x. Now 7 times -4 gives us the answer of -28. -28. Now the rest you can do it. If you need the answer to it, just comment in the video. Now the last one, these are more examples. So let's take this for instance. We have x over 10 plus 3 equals to 9. Now the first thing we have to do, we have to transpose this 3 to the other side. Now when transposing it, our sign changes. So instead of it being +3, it will now become -3. So x all over 10 equals to, so 9 minus 3 gives us an answer of 6. As we said, we must imagine this whole number here, it's all over 1. So once we do that, we do our cross multiplication. So therefore our value of x equals to 60. Now the rest you can do it. You can do it when, if you feel like you want the answer to it, you can comment in the video. Now that you have the knowledge that you require, it is time to go and shock your teacher. Thank you. See you in our next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to this video.